Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into string functions in NocoDB. These are powerful tools to manipulate your text in ways that will make your data more dynamic and easier to manage. Let's get started. First up, CONCAT. The CONCAT function concatenates one or more strings into a single string. Next, let's tidy things up with the trim function. Trim is your go-to tool for removing any unwanted space at the beginning or end of your text. This is especially useful if you're importing data from different sources and need to clean it up. Moving on, we have the len function. It gives you the total number of characters in a string. It's perfect for tasks like checking if a product code has the correct number of digits or ensuring descriptions aren't too long. But what if you want to extract a specific part of a string, like the domain name from an email address? Let's check it out. The search function helps you find the position of a specific character or substring within a string. Here we have the position of the @ symbol in these email IDs. Then you can use the write function to extract everything after the @ symbol, which gives you the domain name. The write function retrieves the last n characters from the end of the input string. And there you have it, email domains extracted from all the email addresses. Now if you're thinking there has to be an easier way, you're right. In our next video, we'll explore how you can achieve this even more easily using the regular expression functions. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.